Previously in our last episode. And just ahead.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Nasty twat.
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of 2 cats and a few bats. G here from OG Creations. You know what time it is.
Vampire.
This year, I thought I would weave a spell for a frightfully fun Halloween season.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Nasty twat.
Werewolf for mitzvah, spooky, scary, once becoming man, then becoming wolf.
Troublesome trio who hunt and hitch.
Beware of hitchhiking ghosts.
Sisters of 3, thought of as witch.
I like the world. Goodbye.
Sweet confection, you ought to pitch. Extraterrestrial, sought and called a bitch.
Werewolf for mitzvah, spooky, scary, boys becoming men, men becoming wolves.
You're fucking weird.
For this week's video, we will be invoking 3 spirits.
Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
3 crazy hitchhiking spirits.
Bitch, I'm a ghost. Bitch, I'm a ghost. Bitch, I'm a ghost. I go boo.
While I was searching for hocus pocus teas to reverse dye for last week's video, I floated across this one and thought it would be a fun one to play with as well. I also thought it would be a great time to try a product that I've never experimented with before.
Vagina.
Kite string. Boring! Let's see what happens when I bind this tea up,
Find you from doing harm.
bleach it out, and add some phantasmal shades of teals and greens. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or 2, and subscribe to my channel. The YouTube algorithm is infuriating. And unless you already have hundreds of thousands of followers, you really aren't suggested to new viewers as easily.
What are you waiting for? Can no one find nude photos of me on the internet?
Views.
Your help will be greatly
Man
appreciated.
next to me is the one I want. You ask me, I'm answering. Yes, I love that man of
With
mine.
that said, let's get started. I'm starting with a slightly damp black 100% cotton men's t-shirt printed with the 3 hitchhiking ghosts from Disney's Haunted Mansion. This is probably a rough Geode tie-up, but I'm just tying the bitch up any way that I want to. Kind of like a fun octopus shape. Once I'm happy with it, I place it on my dye racks. Using a 2-part hot water, 1-part liquid bleach solution, I bleach every section of the shirt. I allow that to process for about 10 minutes before turning the shirt over and adding more bleach and letting that process for about another 10 to 15 minutes. I then soak the shirt in a 10-part water, 1-part peroxide solution for anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. And then soak them in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and set them aside for 24 hours until they were practically dry. Back on my dye racks, I start to add my spectral shades. Seafoam, sea glass, robin's egg blue, parakeet, Glacier blue. I allow the dyes to process for a few hours before turning the shirts over and applying more dyes in the exact same locations before setting them aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. They were rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increased the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. They were then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I added them to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get these and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. The cool teal and green shades are almost translucent, and that kite screen has created this cracked plaster or broken mirror pattern. And for those who feel like they want to see someone drop dead with excitement, or just appreciate a matching set for themselves, I've also created these in briefs and thongs. I hope you all have a beautiful Halloween season.
I'm a ghost, I'm a ghost, I'm a ghost, ghost. I'm a ghost, I'm a ghost, yeah. I'm a ghost, I'm a ghost, I'm a ghost, I go boo. Wow, I did this. I did this shit.
Blessed be. See you next time.